Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Yvette, but you can call me Cookie only if you subscribe. It's really simple. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that bell if you want to get a notification every time I upload a video. And today is the 4th day on my 1 palette, 1 week challenge. So right now I'm going to prep my face and then I'll be right back so we can get to it. All right, guys, I'm back. I got my face prepped with my primers, moisturizer, and I also did my eyebrows and my lids are prepped. So again, this is day 4 for my 1 week, 1 palette challenge. And I'm using the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. So let's see what I can come up with today. I was thinking about a cat eye. So let me do this. I'm going to first put a color over my whole lid as a transition color. And I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use this brush from BH Cosmetic, and it is number M17. It's a big fluffy brush. Okay, the first color I'm going to use is color In a Pinch. That's the name of the color. Just over the whole lid. Kind of a orangey color. Blend it in. Okay, that's In a Pinch, color In a Pinch, blend it in all over my whole lid. Now I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna start from dark to light from my outer corner here, and then move into a lighter color. I have on tape, by the way, too, so I can have that sharp look. Next color, Hot Tamale. If this is the right brush. Let me switch brushes. It's not working. Let's try this Morphe brush. Yeah, that's better. Right on the corner. on the lid like if I was doing a wing liner. The next color is going to be Cookie Call right here. And I'm going to use another brush. Okay, this second brush, go in with Cookie Call. And I want to keep it a little bit lower than the first color. Just enough so the other color, Hot Tamale, can peek through. You want to see both colors. Just keep blending. The other side. Keep it lower so the other color can show as well. You want to see both colors. Okay, I think that's good. Let's take this tape off. Like that. Okay, now that the eye is done, again, I only use 2 colors. Well, actually, I used 3. I used In a Pinch and Hot Tamale and Cookie Calls. I'm going to use one more color called Lick the Spoon right here. I'm going to put it right on the lid. I'm going to use this pencil brush by Sigma E30. Just a little. Oh yeah. Just to give it a little sparkle. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. I see that. That's pretty. Just a little bit. Right in the crease in the front. And that's it. All right, let's get this face on. For the concealer, I'm gonna use Warm Tawny, the highlight. I don't really want much today. Just a little bit. Highlight down the nose and the forehead. Y'all know the routine. Blend that in. Loving this eye. What y'all think? I'm not even done yet. All right, concealer or contour I'm gonna use. I think I'm just gonna bronze. I'm gonna just bronze today. Yeah. All right, no cream contour today. I'm just gonna bronze. So let me set this, and then I'll bronze. Setting it with loose powder, Dermablend. All right. Gonna bronze with BH Studio Pro number 255. This is my bronzing powder. Kind of my all over face powder. I love this powder. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, this palette is definitely about gone. Creamy. Don't forget under the chin, contour, carve it out. Just bringing some warmth back into my face. Eyeliner, It's Cosmetic Superhero. Cookie Call under the line, under my eye. And I want to stamp it on first. And then I'll blend it. Other side, stamp it on, like right below the eyeliner that I just put on. by Makeup Forever. Then go back and kind of lightly blend it together. So it will look smooth. I really like that sparkle on top. That's the Lick the Spoon. I really like that color on top. The sparkle Lick the Spoon. That's really pretty. Let me take a sip of this coffee. All right, let's finish it up. This blush is kind of a pinky tone, rose tone. Trying to match the Hot Tamale eyeshadow. Two Anastasia Beverly Hills lip colors. This gold gloss will match the gold on my lid, hopefully. Now for highlighter, we're going to use highlighter by Too Faced. Here's the final look on my 4th day. One palette with Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. And I used 3 colors. One color was called In a Pinch, and the next color was Hot Tamale and Cookie Calls. No, I'm sorry, I used 4 colors, because I also used Lick the Spoon right here with the glitter. And again, this is the palette, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys be blessed and wear your mask.